Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the Hostinger Coming Soon page. Let's get started. First go to Hostinger and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on Websites from the left panel, then click on Websites List from the drop-down menu. In this new page, click on Dashboard at the far right of your chosen website. In this new page, click on the option WordPress Overview. In this next page, look for the section Maintenance Mode and make sure that the toggle is disabled. This side pop-up will appear once the action is successful. And that is how you can remove the Hostinger Coming Soon page. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.